So the company Wyze have added a lot of products to their lineup ever since they started with the security cameras. They have a smart thermostat, they got headphones, they got smart lock, they have a robot vacuum, they have a smart scale, and the list just goes on. So now they're adding a very powerful handheld vacuum to their lineup, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so the vacuum has a simple name. They just call it Wyze Handheld Vacuum. So this handheld vacuum is designed to work in your home or your car. It comes with a HEPA filter, it's rechargeable, and it has a runtime of 30 minutes. So this handheld vacuum comes with a digital motor that can run at 100,000 RPM. Now, they did a demonstration, which I'm showing you right now, how it can pick up a bowling ball. But then they show you how it can pick up 2 bowling balls. But then it shows you how you can pick up 3 bowling balls. So that's some serious suction they have built into this little handheld vacuum. That HEPA filter is stainless steel and it's washable. So you can just run it under water, clean it out, and then stick it back in the vacuum. So what you're going to get in the box is the vacuum. You're also going to get a flat nozzle, a USB cable, storage bag, a charger. And if you pre-order this item, you're also going to get a brush tool, an attachment adapter, a crevice tool, and an extension hose. This vacuum is very lightweight. It weighs only 19.8 ounces. It comes with a USB Type-C cable, and it takes about 3 hours to get that full charge. So it has 2 run modes. There's one that's labeled as default, where you get about 30 minutes of runtime. If you put it in max power mode, it's going to get you about 10 minutes of use before it dies. Now, it's not weather resistant, so you can't get it wet or anything like that. So you can use it like inside your car or inside your office, inside your home, but not outside on the patio where it's wet or anything like that. So that's the latest gear that's coming from Wyze. It's a handheld vacuum cleaner. Now you can pre-order today at the time of this video, and it should ship out April 2021. It's going to cost you $59.99, but when you add shipping, it's going to bump it up to $68.98. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.